The completed diorama project. The ladies added fern pattern fabric to the background, green construction paper flooring, vines that were twisted scraps of the fabric, and a waterfall with a small pond. They also glued some rocks around the pond to give it a more realistic look. This is the outside view so you have an idea of what the entire project is. Let's take a look at the animals. Here's the elephant. We kept the smaller one in there as a baby. It was the first one that I printed. There's the tiger having a drink at the pool. Here you can see the butterfly. There are 5 of them total, all hanging from a thread in the foreground. And of course the orangutan, hanging out over here all by himself. Here's the lighting portion of the diorama. Looks pretty complicated for what it is, yet it's very simple. All we have is a battery, an Adafruit power boost. It's pushing this 3.3 to 5 volts here into the breadboard. The breadboard is just acting as distribution. We've got a cap smoothing out the power, splitting off 5 volts into the Arduino to power the Arduino, and we're splitting off 5 volts into the LED strip. And then we have a 470 ohm resistor into digital pin 2 on the Arduino. And the only programming that's happening at all on here is just setting the color of the LED. That's it. It's pretty simple. Sorry I didn't have time to go through the whole thing as I was doing the assembly, but the ladies have to leave in a couple of hours and we need to get this whole project done before they go. That wraps up the 3D printing diorama series. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you like what you saw here and want to see more, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you can be notified when new videos are available. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.